What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Drip My Whip. And it is currently snowing, and I just had to bust the camera out because we only get snow like one time in Georgia, and this is probably going to be our only day, so we got to make the most out of it. But yes, everything is covered. You know, I mean, this still don't work, but everything is covered and it's whatever. But you know, my baby stays nice and pretty in the garage. Nice, there's nothing on it. It's beautiful. It never sees stuff like this, right? Good job. Except for today. Today the garage door is open because I'm done babying this. I want it to look like a rally car. And what better way to do that than cover it in snow? And look who joined us today in the snow for the play date. And like I was just saying, we're gonna pull this out and take it to a special place. But since it's so cold, I mean, it's like 30 degrees. Should we do a cold start?
Most definitely.
Bet. Cold start time coming up. I gotta check my power steering fluid because we do have a small leak when I hit full lock. So I haven't figured that out yet, but we'll put the power steering fluid in it real quick. She's still running good though. I think about it. Last time I took this car out was when we were drifting it on in Tennessee. So the engine still held up just fine. We got it back, we changed the oil, everything's been fine with it. Now we'll put some power steering fluid in it so we can hit the road. I'm ready. I've never actually driven this car in the snow, which is gonna be interesting, but I'm excited for it nonetheless because, as you know, this is a welded diff drift car, angle kit and everything, so it should do pretty good in the snow. Mine by pretty good, I mean sliding around, so I'm gonna take this easy. I don't want to do that on public streets, so we're gonna drive this car real careful up to our private spot that we got permits at. But yeah, so we're meeting up with a couple of guys from Style Points Club up there. Like I said, we have a spot that we're allowed to use, so I wanted to get in there and just get some footage of, you know, we don't have anything in the snow. I want to see how this car does. There's a couple more things to sort out on the car. I still need to take it in to get its alignment and its suspension rebound and everything set correctly, but it does drive okay. It drives pretty straight. We've been using it like that for a couple months now, but you know, as y'all know, I don't daily this car, so when I do take it out, it doesn't bother me that much. But yeah, I got to be careful with this because I've pulled my traction control fuses, I've pulled my ABS fuses. I don't have any way of not having my wheels lock up, so that's why I'm trying to drive real easy with it today and not try to do nothing crazy with it. With the welded diff, I can feel the back end. Anytime it hits like a patch of cold water or ice or anything, it's, you know, it's trying to get out. I think I'm the only one there right now. Other club guys are meeting us somewhere else, but they'll probably pull up here in a few minutes. But yeah, I'm probably the first one. Okay, we're here at the spot. Nice spot, and the boys are pulling up. Well, one boy. What is that? Let me get this for you. Let me get this for you. Y'all have not seen him on the channel yet. He just caught this E36, so that's what's up. He's also one of our club members. Style Points banner. And I think it's gutted on the inside. Yes, sir. He's got some cool lights on at nighttime, too. And then we got the Z. Y'all already know all about the Z. You know, full drift car at this point. Angle kit, welded diff. And that's about it. And bolt-ons. But the spot looks fantastic today. I kind of want to just run some manjis and stuff. I'll try a lot of second gear out here. I just want to get some practice in throwing the car far.
12 seconds later.
Alright, got the head strap on. He's on the camera. I'm gonna just pop some stuff off real quick. Just something light. I haven't put the car sideways since the last video, so, and between the two videos, that was a while ago. Once I handle that clutch issue, I'll be a little bit better in second. tire off. I cannot believe my tire ripped off on the first run. Look at this. On the first run, this tire is not even that like bald or anything like that. It just happened to rip off when I was throwing it around. Oh yeah, let's pull that out. That's one of my mods. There you go. Well, that's fun. I have extra tires, they're just not with me, so it's all good. We can get that fixed up. Well, I guess that's the end of me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all next time. It was like a 2-minute video. Damn it, my shit's still smoking too. Well, that's the end of that. And now, since I'm no good anymore, we'll see how he does. Remember, he just got this car. Don't hate on him too much. Boy. Let me get the keys, bro. I'm gonna tell him. Bro, you need to clutch kick that thing hard.
I need to clutch kick it?
Yeah, like put it in. I think you'll actually be okay at first.
Yeah.
If you want me to show you, I'll do it for the camera.
We need to give that a test.
Alright, try it out. Stay on it. There you go, stay on it. There we go. There we go. He's getting it. See, when you clutch kick, you had it right there. Right when you clutch kick, you stay on the gas and make it kick out, and then you play with the throttle. Now that was a billion times better than the first run. This is those moments where you see how much your friends love you because you're stranded. I'm calling him to see how much he loves me. Nando! What's up, buddy? Hey, I might be having a slight problem, sir.
Alright.
Were you still planning on coming over here?
Do you need a tire?
Yeah, they're at my house though.
Oh, alright. Well, let me go scoop them up, and then I'll be on the way.
Okay. This is why it pays to have good friends. That man always takes care of me. So he's gonna bring me my other set of wheels. If he gets here a good enough time, we might be able to still do some stuff with the Z. If not, we'll play around with the other cars. Time to make that phone call. Now that I have my plan set up, I'm scared to make it, but call Miss Carla.
Call Mrs. Carla Redheart.
I wanna get yelled at.
Huh?
Hi, babe.
Hi.
So, interesting news. No, I'm all good though. I ripped my tire off.
You ripped your tire off?
Yeah.
How the fuck did you do that?
Well, it's all good though. I just went to do a test run and it tore my tire off. But Nando's already on the way over here. He's got to stop by the house and get my other wheel.
Okay.
It's all good. Actually, you took that way better than expected. Like, you're on camera and everything for the channel, and I thought you were gonna yell at me.
I mean, I knew something was gonna happen.
Oh yeah? All right, I'm gonna go watch this E36 slide real quick.
Who?
Caleb's here.
Ass boy.
Oh my god! And on, bruh, I'm hanging up now. Bruh, she just got me on my own channel. I'm leaving that in there too, cause that was funny as hell. But anyway, Nando is on the way with my extra wheels. It's not over yet. We're gonna keep kicking this thing around, and hopefully we don't ruin the other set. But if we do, oh well. Now I'm gonna peer pressure this guy or anything. I'm gonna peer pressure. Sir?
Yeah.
I just have never, slid an E36 before, and I just didn't know if you'd be kind enough.
Yeah.
I told you we got him.
Just, I would say just keep the circles, because
I'm not gonna throw it like that.
Because laundry-wise, I don't want to go over there.
I'm not trying to tear your tires off too. I'm literally just gonna do what you did.
Alright. You'll see it's next to the...
Look at this thing. Left of the steering wheel. Oh yeah, I see it right there. Okay. Very nice. Let me wipe my feet off. I like this. I haven't been in a Beamer ever. First time ever sliding a BMW. So that's pretty cool. Manual. What'd I do wrong? Oh no. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Help!
It didn't turn on?
No.
Okay, here, I got you.
Yeah. I was actually stuck in this thing. I was like, no! It went.
You want me to slide the E36? This is what comes with it, bro.
No.
Are you want me to start it?
I told him, what?
You want me to start it? Actually, you're already in there. Try it now. You don't need to put your foot on the clutch to start it.
Oh, mine does. Yeah, he said the clutch was a little aggressive. This is the first time driving this car too. I'm gonna see what it feels like. All right. Yeah, look who pulled up. What's up, boy? How you doing?
Chilling.
The Savior is here. Thank you, sir. Look at that. He came in clutch. I owe this man something. Oh my God. Wait a second. Yo. He's wildin'. We live. What happened? We're gonna get this swapped out real quick. I'm so happy he just pulled. That made my day. And he came at a great time too. We still got plenty of adrenaline left. I got my track edition wheels on. These are the original wheels that came with the car. The only problem about my track edition wheels is since I've been doing this whole setup, I don't have the spacers on the back anymore, so the back of my car is going to look a little weird with these on, but it's okay.
He's okay.
It's better than what we have right now, which is non-mobile at all. Did you bring the tool?
No.
Huh?
No.
You're
I'm just kidding.
We got our other wheels on there now, so we are good to go. Seb, are you ready? Nando's gonna ride with me on this.
Oh, I'm freezing like, okay.
That 360 didn't work.
Your tires are smoking.
They're smoking?
Well, I guess when you first pulled up, they were.
All right. A little something.
Yo, that shit.
At the end, I was trying to get a little wild with it, so I thought, oh, you know what? Everyone does 360s here. Let me try it. Did not work. Oh, he's gonna run it one more time. Okay. See, he's got the bug in him now. He's addicted. He came out here, doesn't like to slide. Now he's just sliding as many times as he can.
Toss the keys. Just one time.
Yeah?
Okay. It's about that time.
A baby one. A baby one. Because tire, and I just slid it. Like, just do some circles right here.
Alright.
Just try to stay off the limiter. But have some fun. I'm gonna let him slide it. He's never done that before. I'll do it from the inside. It's all right. All right, so this car, just first gear is the easiest. Just put it in first, clutch kick it, and then you'll feel it. Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Whoa! It's in the mochi! Nice. You actually are fantastic.
Thank you.
All those years of Forza got you cleaned up real nice.
Not bad. Your car is fucking crazy. Let's get this.
It's set up really nice. That's fine. I know we gotta go. Okay, I gotta end the vlog. Yeah, you're welcome. And so I gotta end the vlog here because it's getting dark. Gotta get the hell out of here. But I want to thank you for coming with the tires because you literally made the rest of this video happen. Thank you for bringing a car out and learn how to slide. You're getting good at it. I already told him like 3 more videos and you're gonna be a pro drifter. You got hands. No Bars Patrol cannot say nothing about you no more.
Fuck no Bars Patrol.
Anyway, I'm sorry for the ski mask, but actually. Anyway, guys, I really hope you guys like this video. It's getting dark. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. We got lots more content. It's season 3 and I'm so excited, bruh. So until next time, I will see y'all on the next time. Wait.
What?
Got a little rusty, huh? I will see y'all on the next episode of Drip My Whip. Peace.